Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas video. 2020 was a bit of a rough year, so I thought this would be the perfect video to end off on. I also want to mention that this background is a lot different, and that is because I don't want to yet reveal to you my room, so I'm filming in like a makeshift setup right now, so I don't give anything away. I know you guys have been hearing me talk about like my new room in the last couple of videos, and I swear it is coming soon, a room tour, but I have some pre-filmed videos that are going to be going up after this, and then I will get to the room tour, so that's why I'm filming like this today. Also, this year I did not do Vlogmas, but I did vlog Christmas Day with my boyfriend, my family, and everybody, so if you want to go see that video, I will link it down below, and you can also see what Darian got in that video. But for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I personally got. I will say this haul is quite a big one, but keep in mind that I did buy some of these presents for myself just as a little gift. I'm just going to be grabbing these items randomly. The first is something that I actually did end up buying myself a couple days ago, and this is a new Michael Kors wallet. This just looks so sleek and clean. I love the color white for any bags, purses, or wallets. It has lots of card slots as well. We actually went to an outlet mall, and this was only $54, and I say only because it had an original retail tag of $188. The next item is this wet brush like styling kit. It has a wet brush in it, a wet comb, and also a hair drying towel. The next thing is this Flawless Ice Roller, and this is for your face, neck, or body. It's supposed to minimize pores, reduce puffiness, and reduce muscle tension, and I'm super excited to try this out. I have like these two blue ice globes right now, and this one is by the brand Flawless, which I love, so super excited to try this out. I am going to be going decently quick with these items because I do have a lot to show you guys today. So the next is this Ariana Grande Thank You Next perfume set. I love this scent by her. This was at Walgreens for $25, and it comes with the mini lotion and also the mini glass perfume bottle. But this isn't like a travel size though. Like, I would say it's decently big for the price you're paying, especially because they are way more expensive at like Ulta. This next gift was also from my boyfriend. If you guys watched my Christmas vlog, you would know that I absolutely spoiled him this year, and I got him so much. So I was super excited about this gift. It's a sparkly chi straightener, and you guys literally look how beautiful this is. It's like iridescent, and it's also digital, which I love. Chi is definitely one of my favorite brands when it comes to hair tools, and I am super excited to use this and also keep on display on my new vanity. Sorry if I like keep getting dark at times, like this lighting is not the best right now. But I also got this rhinestone strap Victoria's Secret bra. I literally love their shine strap collection, even their panties I am so obsessed with. You guys have seen my collection on TikTok, so I had to get one matching bra in black. I just feel like this would be such a cute touch to have showing like through tank tops or maybe even tube tops. This next gift I am so excited for. I literally am obsessed with this. It's a Victoria's Secret umbrella, and it has like the striped pink pattern that is signature to Victoria's Secret, which I love. This next gift is like a 3-in-1. I have 3 of these fuzzy slides. I have a white pair, a gray pair, and also a black pair. These are all from the brand Charles Albert, and these are from Charlotte Russe. I'm obsessed with fuzzy slides, so I love that I got all these from Charlotte Russe. I also got these light pink like ribbed tank tops. They're both cropped in pink and black, and I feel like these would just fit super nice, and they look so comfortable to wear. I don't know if these would be see-through or if you'd be able to wear them by themselves, but if you could, it's kind of like a bralette as well. Got this mini trifold LED compact mirror to keep in my purse, bag, car, or even like to use on the go. Darian got me these Victoria's Secret pink camo workout leggings, and these are high-waisted, and they are the ones that like are supposed to give you the best contour around the back. It has like the scrunch in the middle. This pink fuzzy coat, these went on sale sometime. I don't know if it was for Black Friday, but I know it was like a time before Christmas, and I don't know if they were $20 or $25, something around that. but they were on sale from their original price of $70. I would never pay $70 for this original, but on sale it's super cute, super soft, and I'm usually very particular on like my fleece coats and jackets. Like I don't like Sherpa because like it catches to dry skin sometimes, but this fuzziness is like so soft. Most of this from here on out is clothes, not all of it, but a majority. This next thing was this white top from Forever 21. It's cropped and it also has these like diamond ties in the front and it like dangles down. This top is so beautiful. It's from Forever 21 and I like found this like on the shelf like by itself. Like it did not have a whole rack of them. I could not find them anywhere else in the store, so I was so glad it was in my size. I literally snatched it up so quick. If you guys know what I would wear under this, please let me know. I don't think you could wear it by itself because it's not like see-through, but it is white, so I wouldn't trust it anyway. I was thinking like something nude, maybe like strapless. Next, these black sparkly printed joggers. I love the joggers with the elastic around the bottom. I don't like the sleeve type joggers. Elastic waistband and also a drawstring tie. The printing on this is also like sparkly or like glitter. Next are these gray moccasins. I have these in tan already and I live in them, so love that I got a gray. Next, I haven't even taken most of the stuff out of the package because I wanted to save it for this video, but these pink and white striped satin Victoria's Secret sleep shorts. I am obsessed with these, literally the cutest thing ever. I got this for myself off of Poshmark. I have never seen this jacket anywhere like Mercari, Depop. I've never seen it in stores or online, but it is like this cropped pink velvet zip up and it's like almost like a velour material, and it has love pink on the back and like bedazzled pink rhinestones and then the bling dog on the front. It's almost one of those like tracksuit zip ups, if you know what I'm saying, like not the turtleneck but like kind of like a higher neck, and it's like a cropped fit. If you guys can't tell by now, I love anything bedazzled or sparkly and shiny, so I have this white hoodie that has pink written in silver metallic writing on the top and the bottom, and then in the middle is with rhinestones. I'm pretty sure this is a new item as well. I've never seen this before and it was online for news. I don't know if this is meant to be oversized, but it definitely looks it. This is the smallest size, extra small, and it just looks like it would fit bigger. It is marked as a campus pullover, not a hoodie. So next is these Victoria's Secret slippers. They have these in pink as well, and I was debating on getting both of them, but I probably might in the future. But for right now, we have the black ones. It has fur lined in the middle and then a sparkly rhinestone V on the center down at the bottom. And this whole like slipper is so bougie. Like the whole thing is lined velvet and it's like cushion, super nice quality and material. I feel like my style has totally changed since the last time I did any type of hauls on this channel. Like I am now obsessed with anything rhinestone, sparkly, and even like light pink. Like I am all about neutrals, like I've always been, but light pink is kind of like a new love of mine. Speaking of pink, I also got myself these light pink joggers. These were from Charlotte Russe. These were only $10, which is insane because I love everything about these, from the fit to like how it's like the jogger style at the bottom that I like. Also, this shade of pink is like exact to my nail. I don't know what shade of pink this is called, if it's just like a pastel or light pink, but it's perfect. It's like a boyfriend fit. Oh my god, this haul is literally so bedazzled. Like, you guys, I'm like obsessed. I have an addiction. But I feel like I've just recently found like my style and found what I liked. Not that before like it wasn't my style, but I just feel like I have just fell in love with rhinestones. So next we have these rhinestoned leggings, and these have a full strip of studs down each side on the leg, and it has like pink written out in them on the sides. I'm really upset though because whenever I get like pink leggings, when the waistband is super thick like this, it always like fits big and they don't like hug my waist, you know, like there's always like a huge gap in the front, and I don't like that because whenever I like wear tight shirts and like put it over, like you could see like a big bulge and it looks like really weird. But this is the smallest size and I I don't know like why they fit like that. Every single pair of pink leggings that I've ever wore with a thick waistband have done that. Lastly, I wouldn't really say this is like something that I got on Christmas because I didn't really open it on Christmas. I bought it after, but I went to Marshall's and I got a hot pink blender bottle, and it's like kind of see-through-ish, and it has the mixer in the middle, on clearance for $4.50, but it was like original only $6 anyways. So yeah, I'm also gonna include some pictures right now of a couple of other little things that I got as well that aren't worth like mentioning, you know, but they're just kind of like little stocking stuffers that I want to show you guys. Sorry for the echo during this video, but like I said, the next couple of videos are going to be pre-filmed ones that have been filmed a while ago, so I just kind of want to get those up before it's like too late, you know. So I will let you guys know when the start of like my real-time videos start. It'll probably be with my room tour because I really want to show you guys and I'm super excited. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also comment down below what was your favorite thing that you may have gotten for Christmas. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.